What do dreams about being lost mean? Have you ever woken up from a dream feeling confused and disoriented, wondering why you were lost in that dream? Let's break down what these dreams could be telling you. Dreams about being lost can reflect various aspects of your life, often tied to your emotions and current situations. If you dream about being lost, it might indicate that you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious about something in your waking life. This could be due to work pressures, personal responsibilities, or emotional challenges that make you feel like you're navigating through unfamiliar territory. One common interpretation is that being lost in a dream signifies a loss of direction or purpose in your life. You might be facing a situation where you feel uncertain or unable to find your way, whether it's a new job, a move to a new city, or an important task with a looming deadline. These dreams can evoke feelings of confusion, frustration, or even a sense of not fitting in. The setting of the dream can also provide clues. For instance, if you're lost in a city, it may indicate that you're feeling overwhelmed by the hustle and bustle of daily life. Cities often symbolize complexity and busyness, so this type of dream might reflect stress or anxiety about your responsibilities and social interactions. Dreaming about being lost in a forest can be particularly disturbing and may signify feelings of confusion, fear, and despair. This could represent the inability to rectify a situation or a lack of support in your life, making you feel like you've lost your way. If you dream about being lost and unable to get home, it could suggest that you're feeling disconnected from your true self or your roots. This dream might indicate a search for a sense of belonging or stability in your life. Feeling lost in a dream can also be linked to emotional turmoil or unresolved issues. If you're dealing with complicated feelings or interpersonal conflicts, your subconscious might translate these emotions into a scenario where you're lost and trying to find your way. This reflects your inner struggle to resolve these issues and find emotional balance. In some cases, dreams about being lost can represent a broader sense of losing control over aspects of your life. Whether it's due to external pressures or internal doubts, these dreams indicate that you feel powerless and directionless, highlighting the need to regain a sense of control and autonomy. From a spiritual perspective, dreaming about being lost can signify a journey of self-discovery. It can be a prompt to look inward and reconnect with your inner self, encouraging you to explore your spiritual beliefs and seek a deeper understanding of your life's purpose. So the next time you have a dream about being lost, take a moment to reflect on what might be causing those feelings in your waking life. It could be a sign that you need to address some unresolved issues, seek help, or simply take a step back to find your direction again.